I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place.
Hi.
Your emotions had
Bernard.
Okay, Bernard, welcome to Skydive Australia. How you feeling, man?
Like a diver? I never dive.
Awesome. How are you feeling?
No, me, I'm okay now, better than this morning.
Yeah. Cool, man. So it's first time I hear?
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know, probably the last also. Huh?
Yeah, no. Hey man, let's go have some fun. Do you want to say anything before we go?
Yeah, I wish you never existed, so that I wouldn't have to choose before jumping or not jumping.
Nice one, dude. We'll see you in there.
and all that you were having the time of your life. But think twice. That's my only advice. Come on now, who do you think you are? Bless your soul. You really think you're in control? Well, I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. Just like me. My heroes have the heart to lose their lives. I wanna live. And all I remember is thinking I wanna be like them. Ever since I was little, it looked like fun. And there's no coincidence I've come. And I can die when
I want to something like I learned my children. That sounds difficult. I do that, Michael. That's what I didn't see outside again.
Magic people, voodoo people. The voodoo, hoodoo, what you don't dare do, people.
Hey, Bernard. Hi. How's there, man?
Quite slow when it opens, huh?
Pretty good fun flying, eh?
Yeah, it was nice. Nice to see.
Better than you thought?
Yeah, I mean the first seconds were like above,
Yeah.
but then it's okay. It's very close, huh?
Smokestack spitting black soot into the sooty sky. The note on the road brings a tear to the Indian's eye. The elephant won't forget what it's like inside his cage. The ringmaster's telecaster sings on an empty stage. Goddamn right, it's a beautiful day. Goddamn right, it's a beautiful day. The girl with the curls and the sweet pink ribbon in her hair. She's crawling out her window 'cause her daddy
Feel good now.
Nice, really nice. Yeah.
Thank you very much. So do you think you do that again?
Yeah, I could. Yeah. I think so. But now I can try paragliding. I know I could afford it.
Yeah. So man, I'm gonna ask you again. I asked you at the start. Ça va?
Ça va, yeah. Oh, we are going in the woods.
Put it there, bro.